Good morning, students. I am Nishu Arora from RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur. Today, in Science Grade A, we are going to study about chapter Sound. So, this chapter is taken from your NCERT book. So, what is sound? How do you come to know that a period is over in your school? You come to know easily that someone is at your door when he knocks, or you hear the sound of the doorbell. Most of the time, you can make out someone is approaching you by just hearing the footsteps. So, all this is possible through sound. Sound is a form of energy that is produced when air molecules vibrate in a particular pattern called waves. Like you see waves in the sea, in the ocean. So, same way these waves travel through the sound. So, vibrations are the back and forth motion of an object. So, sound is produced by vibrations only. You can feel the vibration when you speak and put your hand on your neck. In the music room, you must have seen that sound is produced by the vibrations of the musical instruments like drum, guitar, tabla, harmonium. In all these vibrations are produced. When we are playing guitar, the string of it makes to and fro motion. The to and fro motion is vibrations. You can see the vibrations in tuning fork. So whenever vibrations are there, sound will be produced, and without vibrations, sound cannot be heard. So how do human beings produce sound? Now, when you speak loudly or you sing a song like a bee and put your hand on your throat, you can feel the vibrations. So, in human beings, the sound is produced by voice box. In our throat, we have a voice box, which is also called as larynx. It is the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. As you see in the diagram, the vocal cords are the upper part of the trachea. Now, how they vibrate? When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. The muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. Now, when the vocal cords are tight and thin, the quality of voice is different as when they are loose. Now, the question arises, how sound propagates? Sound is produced by the larynx is clear. Now, how sound propagates? Now, when you call your friend's name who is standing at the distance, your friend is able to hear your voice. So, how does the sound propagates? Sound always propagates, or it requires a medium to travel from a source of its production to the receiver end. Different mediums like air, liquid, or solids. These are the mediums through which sound can propagate. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. Vacuum means where there are no particles. As you have seen that on other planets or on moon, we are not able to hear any sound because there is no medium. Sound can travel through any solid medium like wood, metal, or you must have made a toy telephone to hear the sounds. Now, here in this figure also you can see The person is able to hear the sound by putting his head on the desk on the other end, because sound can travel through that wooden part. Sound can also be heard in the liquids. As you can see, the voice of the bell can be heard when the bell is ring in the water. Right? You can stand on the opposite side of the door. Even then you will be able to hear the sound. So that is solid. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.